He's got a, maybe a Ranchero. Look at all these cars for sale, all for sale. Got an Edsel. Got a Oldsmobile or Pontiac. Dodge Wayfarer. Eldorado. Looks like you sold one. What's going on out here? Somebody die or something?
I don't know.
I never seen so many old cars out by the road for sale.
I just tried to call the guy and it says the number's disconnected.
You know what that means? Get your trailer.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, it's kind of cool. They're in pretty good shape.
Yeah. This is a Texas car here. I think they're all from down south.
I like that Bonneville. 765 is Indiana. This boy's sold. Well, it's a mystery. Hard to say. Appointment only.